In this video, I'll be unboxing the Fire TV Stick 4K Select, so you have a better idea what's included in the box and also what's not included. So let's get started. And by the way, I'll put a link in the description if you want to get one from Amazon. So right away, once we open the box, we can see all the components being presented to us. So let's start over here. We have an HDMI extension. This way, if the HDMI port on the back of your TV is recessed, or maybe you have other things connected, by having this extension, you'll be able to connect the Fire TV stick. Then we have the remote control. This remote control will have the microphone button. This way you can speak and request certain things to your Fire TV stick if you want, for example, to search for a specific TV show. And otherwise it's pretty basic. And down below we also have a few shortcuts towards a few apps. Then we have the USB cable. It's a USB type A to micro USB. It's quite surprising to still see a micro USB and not a USB Type-C. This will provide power to the Fire Stick. Then we have the Fire Stick itself. So as you see, it has an HDMI port. You can use the extension if you wish, but you're not obligated to. On this side, you're gonna have the micro USB port where it says power. This is where you're gonna connect this cable. Over here, there's nothing, and there's absolutely nothing else on the stick itself. We'll also get some manuals. And if we remove this box down below, right over here, we will get two AAA batteries for the remote control. And also this USB power adapter where you need to connect the USB cable. You plug this in your power outlet and the other end in the Fire Stick itself. But overall, this is it. This is all that comes included in the box. If this was helpful, again, I'll put a link in the description to get one of these from Amazon. Otherwise, I will make many different tutorials showing you how to set this up for the first time and how to access a few different settings. See you in the next one.